best plan is a sign of the condition of the business, so we have to take care of this thing.
It is a pleasure to welcome you all to our vibrant port town of Walvis Bay.
When I met him, this dream of Tyre Tech.
His words to me were, God had given him a vision of a business. Tyre Tech was given by God to a man who would work that thought and display it for God.
My name is and I'm the Office Administrator at Tyre Tech Solutions. Tyre Tech Solutions is built upon integrity, honesty, representation and excellence. And this is what we use to instill into every employee. And this is what our workplace environment is made up of.
Aspire to be a leading tire retreading business within the international market.
Hi, my name is Jan Tron. I'm the manager here at Tyre Tech Solutions here in Walvis Bay. Part of my daily routines is overseeing the administration of our office and also our financial department with our marketing department as well.
Tyre Tech started in 2013. I learned the trade from my father, or my stepfather. He's a rubber engineer. So he taught me first of all how to do rubber legging, how to do splicing of conveyor belts, and so from then onwards he taught me how to do it on boats, on crushing machines. And then also we started the concept in Namibia called regrooving. So people didn't know in 2013 about truck tires that can be regrooved and repaired in such a manner that sidewall repairs, cutting in new lines on the thread. And we actually introduced it in Namibia in 2013. As the years went on, I progressed into a fitment. I went to the industrial area, then I got a workshop from the home to a workshop, little bit of an upgrade. And from that workshop, we started doing fitment. It's a small fitment area for the trucks, so we can give better services in terms of fixing tires, repairs, patch repairs, hot sidewall repairs, and then also the regrooving concept that we took it to another level as well. And then in 2014, the Lord has dropped this dream in my heart, in my mind, of opening a retreading factory. The transport industry had such a big outcry for a retreading factory. So yes, and then I saw the need, and that's where everything began. And I did my studies, I did market research, I gathered all the information, and the one thing led to the other. So I registered it in 2019 as Tyre Tech, and from there I started employing 2-3 people, and we grew. Everything else fell into place. The Lord has related me with everyone that came in my life at the time of pursuing this dream to open a factory. I can really say it was Lord sent, because I met the people for the machinery. I got the funding. The Lord gave me the funding to open up the factory. So since registering, everything just fell into place, and the Lord has made it possible up to today. Every need that I have, the Lord always foresees. Whatever obstacle there is, the Lord provides for us. And one of the other things that sets Tyre Tech Solutions apart from any other tire place in Namibia is that we are service orientated, not sales orientated.